Guys, when you're getting a property condition assessment, a commercial building inspection, a capital needs assessment, why is there so much paperwork? It's a good question, right? I'm Britt from WB Trees Consultants and WBTC3.com. The reason that there's so much paperwork in the inspection and assessment industry is simply this: we're professionals. We're doing a professional service that's against general and professional liability, that's backed up by our trainings, that follows certain protocols and standards. We have to CYA ourselves, right? We have to protect our assets against lawsuits. So we have to follow these things. It also tells you, the client, that we take our work seriously, that there are guidelines and insurance and protocols for what we do, that we're going to deliver to you a product that we say we're going to deliver. Check us out at WBTC3.com for more. Thanks again.